Hello everyone, I'm Rosemary and welcome to my channel Cooking Wellness. So for today's recipe, I'll be making these beautiful, healthy and delicious carrot buns for kids and adults as well. So firstly, you just cut your carrot into chunks, whichever way, nothing fancy. You cut these carrots and put into pot. Now these are ways to incorporate veggies into kids recipe. Kids, they don't like to eat veggies. A lot of kids like mine, they don't like veggies. Only one of my kids can eat veggies a little, but the other two, they don't like veggies. But with this way, they won't even notice it. So now you just have to boil your carrot until it's soft, like about 2 to 3 minutes. Once soft like this, then you put into a bowl to mash. Now I'm just blending with my hand blender. That is faster, but if you don't have a hand blender, you can use the potato masher. Here, what you can see here is a baby masher, a baby food masher. I'm just showing you that you can also use a baby masher for this. You have to make sure it is blend smooth. The smoother, the better. So make sure your carrot is blended smooth. So now I just measured a cup of flour into a sieve and I'm just sieving that. Now for this complete recipe, I'm using a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. Now I just added the second half of the flour and it's already sieved. Now you add a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, and then a teaspoon of cinnamon, and what I'm adding now is 2 tablespoons of sugar. I also added a pinch of salt that I did not get. Now for the complete recipe, I'm using a tablespoon of butter, 1 egg, 1/4 cup evaporated milk, and the pureed carrot. So what you have to do is just to put a hole in the middle of your dry ingredient, add your egg in it, and then your milk, and then your milk, and then your butter. So just mix this together, nothing fancy, just mix whichever way you can mix it. Just mix together. After mixing together, then the next thing is to add your carrot puree. Now I just added my carrot puree. So now that the carrot is in it, you have to mix until incorporated. You have to make sure it is properly mixed together. As you can see, mine is looking smooth. This doesn't take time at all. Very smooth and beautiful. So this way, kids will enjoy eating buns, and at the same time, they'll be enjoying their veggies. You can do this with other vegetables also. So now I'm just adding my vegetable oil into my pan. You have to make sure it comes to the right temperature before frying. Now I'm using a scoop because I don't want to get my hands dirty. I haven't used the scoop. I noticed that the buns didn't come to the shape I really needed. It wasn't looking very fine and round like I wanted. So in the next frying, I had to use my hand. Mind you, if you don't want to get your hands dirty, then you can just continue with the scoop. But in this step, I'm just using my hands. I decided to drop the scoop and use my hands, because I think using my hands to make it finer. That's how I cut it with my hands. I just cut it with my hands. And I think it's even faster using your hands. So you can see that the buns are looking very beautiful, more beautiful than the first set I cut with my scoop. You can see that it's looking very round and pretty. So now, as you can see, this is your sweet and delicious carrot buns. It is ready. I'm just making the second batch. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. Thank you and God bless.